Hei hi All India Radio Aizolani chanchin thar achhir tu silin sang puya Mizoram COVID-19 trikai som thumle pali mu chwa tharani LADC huam chunga kon thok tu te don fo thar shalna konga harsat na awmani chuan LADC sarkar in theto pachu don ti LADC a executive member pu HC lal thomle na soi rosuna sa vain mar chaka harsat na athleng chunjum zel North Korea COVID-19 chileng luar mek zelin mi maktadon hi donin an kai to tukina COVID-19 tin munche tharbera mi somthum palin COVID-19 kai ti mu chhoni a red test atang mu cho somthum panni le FIA panni anni sample test zong zat zahni somwa pasari zinga za som pathum point panni pathum positive ani tunden muna shikai to zong zat hi noi ni sing ni sangre somko palin ni a noi ni sing ni sang sari za somko pasari enkol daman ni to enkol lai mek zahni tlingin mi zaruk somko pasari na thi pui to ani mishing sang khat zela positive mu cho to zati zahni pasari ani a mi noi khat zela COVID-19 na wanga na chan to zati somruk pathum anga chut ani Siha District Development Vigilance Committee in DC Bangla building sakmek ro in anlung oilo hle ti an soya sarkarin Siha District chunga mason na athomi puiten thataka anman le chortheina na ani dan tur angani le nilo vilzui tu Siha District Development Vigilance Committee SDDVC chuan Nimin Khan Siha District Borsab Bangla building NEDP sum cheng noi somko pathum senga sakmek hi an tlo a an soi danin he building hi atein achunga pindana tam hlea chung kwa lu atan phei chuan lu rol ani lo andeng lovang anti heti ko pateya district pakhat collector lu atur in sakani chu plan estimate CM2 tele alo pom to lam andem om takzetani anti Lai Autonomous District Council LADC huam chunga kun thok tu tem don fon thar chu shalna konga har satna omani chon LADC sarkarin thei to pachu don ti LADC executive member PHC lo thomlen soi kumin hian diltlang sauta kun thok tu engemaw za chon an bial to MDC LADC executive member PHC lo thomlen malak na in state LADC horticulture department en tang hovin don fo an chinga tuna hinan thar chuak meka an don fo thar chu te shalna har satna an to kani chon LADC sarkarin ma lak tur thu PHC lo thomlen chon soya tual chunga kun thok tu ten an thar chua thataka shalani thene tur ani don chuan LADC chief executive member Puvizir Sanga chuan mundanga tanga don fo lak lu khap thlengin LADC sarkar chuan ma alak tur thu soya don fo shal chu da ni ngun takin an vil rengani ati diltlang sa don fo ching tu tan bulan tan theinan bial to MDC chuan state bank atangin agriculture loan lak puin ama sum seng the to pa chu pui boka mithiam ten an vil reng chungin kon thok tu ten an na thiam tok lo wangim don fo ching tu then khat chu lo chamma se kum thara warzo ka chin tumin ani bo sei mek ani diltlang south atanga don fo thar chu te hi longkraya zor chu ni in mi pui lamin tol chunga thar chu chu an du bekin shalpo atlaveu ti don fo zor te chuan an soi ani kum sang ni somni pangama india ma TB umbo tra be pui thlang na kal zela mame district chunga TB da na zon chuan na ngor takat ho mek ni in birama swasthya team te chuan mame district chunga block pathum rei ek zol nom le west phailenga te active case finding na an thok mek ani he campaign nei hnuah hian district chunga TB ve thar mi pali mu so to ni in district chung khosang sanga po malak mek zel ani pok Aizawl District Disaster Management Authority le Aquatic Association of Mizoram te tangkop ni thum chung o tuitla te chan chhuah dan tur zirna water rescue and retrieval of drowned victims training Aquatic Association of Mizoram te swimming pool ITI veng an bose chu Nimin Khan Aizawl Borsap Dr. Rizal te na khar Borsap chuan khosang sanga tanga training ron tel te hna life jacket a hlan baka mani omna hun thawa chia tok te tanpui tura thei top lo chu theu tu le mani taksa te rui thei thilaka invong uluk turin acha ani he training a hen quick response team ADDMA te baka Aizawl district chunga tuin hai khuwa khopakwa tanga volunteer training pe kan ni a training a hian tuitla in chan dan te tuitla ruang zon dan te chan chuak tu ta na chet lak dan tur poimo te scuba gear manga tuichung lu dan te zirani a training pe tu te hi pudar than tuanga sairang aquatic Association of Mizoram coach pois lo shoi zelale pu Benjamin ma somkima sairang te anni Siha district borsab le district level SEDP chairman de bok pulal sang le na kai shuain nimin khana voi khana turin district level socio-economic development policy SEDP committee member te an thu khom district dangte village level SEDP committee dina beneficiaries te an thlan fel to line MADC general election awangin April ninga tangkhan si ha district a chuan model code of conduct manani a he wang hian village level SEDP din dan tur relin district level SEDP committee member ten meeting an nei ve thei chawani village level SEDP committee village council tin adin ani dona chairman and secretary chungko zani somnga ayat lemna VC a chuan VLSEDP committee hi member pathum anomanga chungko zani somnga pakhatang zanga inkar omna VC a chuan member panga omin chungko zanga chunglam omna VC a chuan member pasari anom thungang member tan hian khotlanga michal lang thantur ani tun thani somni pasiri ayat lailova village level SEDP committee list hi DC office thelu vector ani a family oriented SEDP MLA constituency pakhata phase 1 a chungko sangkha zanga zel thantur ni dona siha district tan chuan chungko sangthum thantur ni in siha assembly constituency hnoya hian sangkha zanga le 40 assembly constituency hnoya sangkha zanga thantur ani village level SEDP committee din fel ani hnuwa training pack ani anga tichuan village level SEDP committee in beneficiary te an thang chuakang beneficiary list chu district level SEDP committee a thelu ni anga district level in SEDP executive board a therut vele don ani na thial khopuya final e thiang himna konga mala na kalpui me ka UDNPA department board sai nimin khan government southern high school na thiala awareness campaign on cleanliness and garbage free city nayani hehun man puitu DUDO pular ro ta sailo chuan final e thiang himna konga thei top chuin malak na an kalpui zel ti soin kumin bi ka hian zirna in changchanga final e thiang himna chungchang hi injitir na kalpui an tum thua soya ni kumlama COVID-19 rilenga wangin an ti hlei theilova no pang te tang hian be pui khak an tumani ati bultan nana government high school an man chan chu school omna venga faina me herchi eng thei tura an be seile du ani wang ani thua soya malak na angkal pui tha chuan department namatang point thei top so pui an tum ti soini he huna hian DEO le DPC ni bok pu mikila RL en kola chuan PowerPoint mangin final e thiang himna poimo thu kalkhom te ship fi a government southern high school headmaster PHF lamon point final konga an school malak na soin na thial khopui chung zirna na awareness campaign bulletin atana an mangchulom thu soibok ani
All India Radio Aizawl Regional News Unit le Mizoram Sarkar Art and Culture Department Tangkup Chuan India ramin zalen na amu kum sumsari pangana lom nakal pui mek kwalin quiz competition August sang hi som hi pahi theng kartin quiz in elna abwa saida e quiz in elna hi kartin in rin zan chanchen thar puan huna piang in zo na puan ani anga atuk pathian ni zan chanchen thar puan huna pakhat na la tu hing puan ani ang loman pakhat na la tu hian thil pek thatak le certificate adung don ani mobile number 8258812366 8258812366 le email id airdigest21@gmail.com airdigest21@gmail.com ate achan na thon turani a he quiz in elna atan hian lo inwa saila chanchin thar longai chinang che
chanchin thar hi All India Radio Aizawl atanga puan ani ruasuna sa wangin marchaka harsatna athleng mek zela Arunachal Pradesh a chuan mipuinun phungna stakina te buaya state ne tu de soidanin district som pali hom chunga thingtang kho somthum pathum chon harsan antok meka mi sang thum chong in rosura wang hian boin antok ani leimin le tuile no wangin Arunachal Pradesh a mi pasari an thi to a mi panhi chin thri lovin an bowa tha china mun hector sari point paruk azau tuina chim chia a chenna in zathum som ko panya cheto bokani nimin khan chief minister pema khandu hovin chom don na tho dan tu le malak dan tu relin sarkar mi poimote an thu khom ani asama chon tuilen tona saber dima South District NDRF member somni tem chomdon na angor takin an thoka tuilen tona sana Barak Valley le dima hasawa te hian thona mangin mepui khosak mamote thakani a UNICEF point dam doilam thiam te pui turin medical team pasari atilu to bok ani North Korea COVID-19 trileng luar mek zelin mi maktadoi ni donin an kai to a ria wangin mi som pathum an thi to North Korea antivirus headquarters soidani nimin khan trikai noi ni sing ruk sang ni le zani somseri mu chu ani a mi pakhat na thi pui le a April thatop loma tang khan mi maktudoi khat point pakwa pore chongin shi an kai to ani chanchin thar cher ti top nan atlang pui Mizoram COVID-19 trikai somthum pali mu chu tharani LADC huam chunga kon top tu te don fo thar shalna konga harsadna omani chuan LADC sarkarin theto pachu don ti LADC executive member poi sila thomlene na soi rasura sa vain mar chaka harsadna athleng sunjom zel North Korea COVID-19 trileng lor mek zelin mi maktu dai donin an kai to chuti jong chu chachin thar kan pon thei chu ani